like Kim is helping us test the new version of my Hangout. She's in charge of the testing things, and hopefully once she says it's okay, I'm going to release version 4 really soon.
Good. So what's your version? What's your version of Hangouts?
It looks like this.
Oh my goodness.
So basically, you're gonna see like it's a new pop-up. It's gonna look like this. I don't know if you can see it, but
yeah, we can see it.
I see it.
you have a nicer navigation bar.
Show
You have
the
something called
gallery.
gallery and map.
Click on
Now
gallery.
you're gonna see the namings of each one up there, with the owner up there, and you can look how many circles they belong in, each person.
Wow.
Okay, nice.
And a good feature is it's basically ranked on who's more relative to you. So for example, this Hangout with Sarah Hill, myself, and Kim is less relative than this Hangout up there with Cam, because Cam I talk to him every single day. So this is more relative than this. So the more the top is, the more relative to you, like which one you seem more fit to. And the bottom ones are basically less fit.
That's great.
Then there's a map feature. It tells you everybody around the world who's hanging out right
Oh
now.
my gosh.
Yeah, we like that one.
Fancy.
And now, for example, right now we have Cam Meadows hanging out here with 4 other people. And this is like, and I'm going to improve this thing more. And you can actually make it full screen if you want to.
Yeah.
You're gonna make it full screen, so you can keep this. You can keep this view open.
Hey,
right?
there am I.
And you can keep this view open, and you'll see everyone around the world who's hanging out. Like right now, and it'll be updated in real time. And plus, this thing on the bottom right corner you see is notifications. So if you put people in the circle to be notified, right? Say KMU circle, and you want to notify people in KMU, stuff like that, who hangs out, like Sarah Hill, stuff like that. You can actually put that and you'll see notification. Like Carter Gibson's hanging out right now. It comes here, and you can close it, and a new notification will come in real time.
Wow, okay, I have drool, like off the drool, off my chin there. That is amazing.
I love
That's really great.
I love
like many guys, it's not only me. Like I have to thank many other people too, because like first of all, John Barrington Craigs, he helped me. Like we did coding like almost every day. Like if you looked, almost 130 changes happened from that version to the last version you guys have right now.
We're on 155, aren't
Who's
we?
that in the north of the UK, Mohammed? You know, above me in Scotland. Is that Dolly? Yeah, it's Dolly. I can see that. Yeah. It's the only person
She's
there,
hanging
isn't it?
she's
up there?
hanging out with Cam.
So imagine this, if there was some kind of world event and we wanted to know what was happening in each portion of the world, we could conceivably pop that up and among your approved circles and say, we're going to go live with whoever, whoever. I mean, that is amazing.
Exactly.
And have a group conversation about that world event.
Yeah, so if say there's many people hanging out in like in Egypt, right? Because you're doing something, you can see everybody here who's hanging out in Egypt. If they put their profiles public, right? Or for example, this respects their privacy, very detailed. For example, if Sarah Hill only wants to share a location with her people in her circles, only me and Kim, everybody here can see your location. Anybody else cannot see it because this is using Google Plus Search API. So whatever Google lets you see it. So that doesn't have any external server, nothing like that.
Nice.
So it doesn't put your information anywhere publicly. Everything is on your computer. Oh, I think you saw this already as well. So let me capture your moment. So if I go here, I say capture your moment.
I love the capture.
And now that's you. I'll save this moment.
Oh, that's a terrible moment, but you can save it.
That's not bad.
Here's another one of your laugh. I'll make your laugh bigger. So now I can go to, let me go to the moment capture gallery. And I see all the moments I captured. So here's your moment right here. So
wow, that
this
is
version,
amazing.
Version 5, not next version, because we still need to develop this more. I click on that, and I can basically add effects to your stuff. For example, let me add a swirl, right? And I can add a swirl.
That's great.
And make the angle like very, very small.
That's what my head feels like sometimes after this test.
Oh yes.
With 10 different people from around the world, right?
And I can add a noise filter, and I can add multiple effects. But it needs to be. This still needs to have more work, so it's not ready for release for tonight or tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to release that. It took me basically 4 weeks, like 8 hours a day, like 6 to 8 hours a day, almost.
Wow. Well, I am really excited to try it. And are you okay if we post our little conversation to YouTube? Because I think other people would be interested in that as well.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. If you need any help with, by the way, I mean, I've got some experience with web development and HTML5 stuff as well. So.
Oh, awesome! Like any help would need. Like we have a lot. Like for example, like one person's helping us. For example, look at this. For example, people complained that the pop-up. Because hey, Kim, can you give her the link to the forums or something?
Yes, I'll shoot that's there. Wait.
Yeah.
Wait.
So basically, one thing is
to Sarah or Maya.
Maya.
Okay.
So basically, one of the things I was talked about is it would be nice to have these pop-ups. I mean, these what do you call these tooltips to be more interactive. So one person, Ryan, I told him to research on that. So if you look what he did, I'll show you what he visualized, which I liked actually.
Okay.
Right here, if I go to the forums and you look at UI enhancements. I go back to his, you'll see how cool it is. So basically, I'll have it like this. So you hover, you'll see a small black thing which is really clear, like your name and the circles beside you.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay.
And Ryan needs help on that, for example.
Okay, I think I could do that. I mean, I've done something like that. I mean, I assume you're using CSS3, HTML5.
Yes, CSS3, HTML5, only Chrome.
Okay, well that should be quite easy then.
And like we want to do something different, like even add like some people are new, they don't know technology that well, so when we want to add help overlays.
Yeah.
When they go over, they'll learn more about the product.
That would be huge, a huge help in our market because you say Hangout, you show them how to hang out, and it doesn't always resonate. So that would be great.
Yeah, and it's easy to add circles. So you can go here and say, I want to add a circle called newscasters, right? And now you're in my top Hangouts, so so newscasters will basically come here. And now next time a newscast Hangout happens, like from the group inside newscasters, I can see it pop up like here on the bottom left.
Okay, I just got a link from Kim. The community-driven Chrome extension development.
So reply back in here and ask, like he has some questions about tech development stuff and he needs some help kind of.
UI enhancements, where to find it? Oh, there, yeah, at the top.
Good. Well, that's fascinating, Mohamed. I appreciate you sharing that with me, and I'll definitely I'll share that around. So I'm glad you hopped in, fella.
I just do it because it's kind of cool. And tell you the truth,
it's not kind of cool. It's really cool.
I'm planning to remove all this now. All this listing, remove it in favor of the map. But the map will be a dashboard, so you'll see a list of Hangouts on the right and left. So it's, imagine you see an interactive map of Hangouts going around, and you can see like clouds popping up. It's like I don't know. I'll see. It's kind of cool.
It's not kind of cool.
Yeah, you're being far too modest with that. It is really.
It's not that hard. I mean, if you know how it works, but hey, I'm just a developer.
That's really neat. Well, guys, I hope you have a wonderful afternoon, and if you all are around at 4 p.m. Central, I hope you'll hop into our on-air Hangout and on TV Hangout for KOMU-GP, right?
And that's 4 p.m. CST.
Right, 4 p.m.
5 p.m.
Central
PST. Yeah.
You got it.
Okay,
Take care, guys.
I'll be asleep by then, so.
All right, sweet dreams, Maya.
Okay,
Thank
bye.
you.
All right, see ya.
See you later.